Hey, I am Derek Sanderson with eXp Realty, serving the greater Chico, California area. And today we're coming at you for today's Monday market update. Without further ado, let's jump in. Welcome to today, November 6, 2023. Without further ado, let's jump in and take a look at what's going on. So as of about 9 o'clock this morning, 141 active single-family homes on the market. That has crept up yet again for the second week in a row. Meanwhile, our under contract properties continues to decline for the third straight week. Now, for those 141 homes, our median list price is coming in at just over $565,000, and our days on market coming in at an average of 64 days. Let's take a step back and actually look at what's going on in the last 7 days. We've had 17 new homes hit the market, 14 have gone under contract, 13 price reductions, and only 15 have closed. Okay, this is the first market update of a new month, November. So we're going to take a look at what happened in October of this month versus October of last year. So 74 homes sold. That is down by just over 8.5% from October of last year. Average days on market is up 30% from October 2022. And the median list price has slipped a little bit, as well as the median sales price coming in at just over 4.25%. Okay, take a look at this just for a little bit of context. This is Chico, California. The number of new listings in 2022, by the end of October, we had 1,184 new homes, new listings hit the market year to date. Compared to this year's only 794. That is a drop of almost 33% in the number of homes that have come to the market for sale. And again, this is just single family. So that's great. That's homes that have come to the market. So there's almost 33% less homes to choose from. Now check this out. This is actually the number of sales. So previous was the number of homes that came on the market. This is the number of homes that actually sold. So year to date last year, so by October of 2022, the end, 926 homes sold. Compared to this year, only 629 homes have sold. That's a difference of just over 32% decrease. So not only do we have less homes on the market that have come to market for sale, but we've also had a reduction in the amount of homes that actually sold. And this is one of the big reasons, interest rates. So as of this morning, Mortgage News Daily has it at 7.48% as an average, but check this out. This is what happened in the last 6 days. Now, a week ago, just over a week ago, we were over 8% for an average, but here you can see the incredible volatility there in the red rectangle with massive swings from day to day. So we'll continue to keep an eye on this. Again, this is mortgagenewsdaily.com. And lastly, every Monday I post a motivational quote, and this week's is this: if you are working on something that you really care about, you don't have to be pushed. The vision pulls you. So I want to encourage you this week. If you feel like you're having to push and push and push to achieve that thing that you have your eyes on, granted, sometimes we have seasons like that, but would you take a minute this week and ask yourself, is this really what my heart is invested in? Because if it is, the vision should pull me. It shouldn't feel like pulling teeth. That's all I've got for you for this week's Monday morning market update. I hope you have a fantastic week, and I'll see you very soon.